So in Namwon, we have Jiri-san. Gonna go check out the Kaeguk and the waterfall. But I love Kaeguk in Korea, so I'm excited for this.
계곡 소리 들려?
들려. Can we go swimming today?
Maybe in summer.
Yeah, maybe we should come back in summer. Definitely go swimming.
다니엘. Wild animals beware.
다람쥐?
다람쥐.
곰 조심해. 네.
What would you do if you like run into 곰?
Close my eyes and just stand still.
And?
Don't move.
Don't move.
Don't do anything. That's it. 와우, 대박.
와, 진짜 대박.
멋있다. It looks so good. Oh, let's go down. How? Wow. Oh, wait. First of all, like mountain Kaeguk, San Kaeguk is the best. It's so like clean and cool. This is like, my mood. 기분이 좋다. Kaeguk, it's so like healing. I feel like re-energized being next to here.
어때?
I love it.
You
So
love it?
good. It's so like 시원해. My feet were kind of like hurting today, so it feels so good. I think I'll definitely bring my parents here. We're right here, and here's the waterfall, so we're really close. I think I hear something. 와, 계단 많이 있어.
계단 진짜 많아.
Where's the elevator?
엘리베이터? 와.
Wow. Woo.
Oh, it's bouncing.
Wow, it's amazing.
It's worth it.
예쁘다.
와.
Now I want to go swimming.
힘들어요?
Oh my god. 진짜 힘들어요.
It's good for a workout.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Okay, so since we're in Namwon, we have to try its most famous and popular dish, 추어탕. So I'm a little bit nervous. It's made with like ground up mudfish. So Okay,
let's give it a try.
Yep.
And be open-minded today. We ordered
Are you nervous?
a little bit, yeah.
Just in case, we got one 추어탕 and one 돈가스.
Okay.
Just in case if you don't like it.
Yeah. You know, I heard this is really healthy for you. Like it has all like calcium and minerals from the bones, and it's supposed to make your skin beautiful. So that's a good positive thing.
남원이 추어탕이 유명하잖아요.
네.
예.
추어탕은 남원이에요.
예. 과연 인생 첫 추어탕.
Okay.
How does it look?
Actually, it looks really good. It doesn't look so scary at all. And it smells delicious. So
How does it smell?
it smells kind of like perilla seeds.
아, 된장찌개?
Like that too.
Oh,
also. But I'm gonna give it a try.
Yeah.
I think it'll be okay. It's really hot though. Oh, 맛있어요.
맛있어?
네.
다행이다.
맛있어요.
다행이네. 아, 진짜?
진짜.
사장님 맛있다는데요?
맛있어요.
정성이지
네.
그지.
인생.
뭘 알아?
괜찮아?
맛있어요.
오.
Wow. See, this is why
You never know
you never
before
know
you
until
try.
you try.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
It tastes good. It tastes kind of like there's kind of like a little minty flavor to it. Kind of like doenjang-jjigae. A little bit more like substance to it. Like there's kind of a texture, but it tastes like kind of a little spicy, a little like perilla seeds, and a little minty. It's very good. Kind of like a fresh flavor. It tastes kind of light. Yeah. It's kind of like a fish smoothie.
그래서 다니엘이 추어탕을 먹는다고 하니까 제가 돈가스를 먹겠습니다.
Wow, I'm surprised. This is really good. This is really delicious.
추어탕
You know,
다행이네.
I'm a soup girl, so
다행이다.
this is really yummy. 또또리 묵 먹어야지. Here we go.
버켓.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm just really hungry, but everything is delicious. Kimchi. Let's try it.
I know you're gonna say. 맛있어.
맛있어. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Slippery.
맛있대요.
진짜 맛있었어요.
깜짝 처음인데.
그러면 더 갖다 줄까? 좋다?
아니 지금 다 먹었어요. 맛있대요. 못 먹을 줄 알고 돈가스를 시켰거든요.
돈가스가 원래 용도가 애기 용도라 좀 적어요.
아 그래가지고 여기 시켰는데
응.
잘 먹네요.
남원이 왜 추어탕이 유명하냐면 미꾸라지가 많아요.
아 그래서 그렇구나.
네, 저 어릴 때는 막 미꾸라지가 사방만 왔어요.
아
And now next time you ask me to eat something that sounds weird, I'm just gonna try it.
오케이. You never know.
I'll never know. No, I never heard of Namwon before coming here, really. But it's been such an unexpectedly fun place to be. Like, I love this city. There's so many fun things to do, great views everywhere, delicious food. I've had a really good time. But I think it's time to go. So, 집에 가자.